everything is fine, guys? Let me know that. Let me know that, friend. Use the chat box.
Yes, sir, it's clear.
Yeah. Okay. So let's. Okay, guys. Okay. So now fine. Okay, na. Let's move on. Let's move on, and we will see that. Okay, na. So what is that? Here, what we are making that, guys? What we are making JSON data. This is nothing but JSON data, right? So, but if we make the XML data, guys, we will get error. Okay, na. So you will. One doubt is there. Why we will get the error? Yeah, I'll tell. I'll tell. Okay, na. So I'm not going to deep dive in what soap based services. Okay, na. Soap based web services, but still some concept is there we have need to understand, guys. Okay, na. In the restful services also. For that, JSON, whenever we are working on the JSON, no need, but whenever we are sending the XML data, something we have need to work on that. So you people heard about marshalling and unmarshalling, I think so. Okay, na. I think so. Marshalling and unmarshalling, right? So unmarshalling means what is that? Converting. What is that? Converting the data, object data in the what is that XML format, right? Yeah, in Phoenix, I know that you don't know, but some people know that. Okay, na object to XML, XML to object. If we want to convert the data, right? So for that we are using marshalling and marshalling. Don't worry, no need much. Okay, na just I am going to so, okay, so let's first make the request. Okay, now let's first make the request and we will see the error first. Okay, now then I will tell why and how we can make it. Okay, now how? Okay, now so okay, fine, guys. Okay, so now okay, so same like okay, now this is the JSON data, right? So if we want to make that, what is that XML data to our API? For that, what we will select, guys? What we will XML application, this one. Okay, now after then what is that? We will write that. Okay, now we will write what is that employee, employ, employee, right? Come here, what is the our model class name, guys? Employee, right? So we will take root element will be employee. Okay, so after then inside that, what is the emp id, emp name, emp style is there. Okay, na. So come here. Okay, na. Inside that, come here. Okay, inside that, what we will do now? We will take the tag emp id, right? Emp id 101. Okay, na. Emp id 101. Another one is what is that? Emp name, right? Emp name is there, right? Inside that, what is that? What is that? Inside that, what is that? Pankaj, I'm taking Pankaj, right? Pankaj. Another one is what is that? Another one is what is that? EMP Sal, right? EMP Sal. Okay, na 2002. Just I'm taking. Okay, na. This is data. So now what is that? Just see that I'm making the request. We will get the error. Okay. So what is that? 405 unsupported media type. Okay, na means whatever we are making the request, guys, our what is that? Our API is not able to accept it. Means it is the meaning of that one only. So for that, what we will do now, guys? What we will do now? For that, we will make this as what is that? To bind, right? To bind what? To convert this object into XML. For that, one annotation we will apply on the top of this class. What is that? XML root element. That's it. Means this, based on this annotation, what is that? What is that? Marshalling and unmarshalling will happen. Okay, na. Marshalling and unmarshalling will happen. Now run the application. Now run the application. Okay, na. Now run the application and we will see that. We will see that. Okay, we will see that our desired output will come. Now same things. Okay, na. I'm not changing anything here, guys. Okay, I'm changing? No, I'm not changing anything. We will see the result now. In this time, now send the request. Still API is running, right? So because of that we are not getting it. Yeah, see, 200, and what is that? EMP ID 101, Pankaj, name Pankaj, and employee salary 20 is out. Now this is the employee, means the data is marshaled, right? Unmarshaled, right? Unmarshaled. Okay, now we make that, what is that? Marshalling and unmarshalling, right? So we have need, okay, na? So got the point, guys? Now got the point, guys? Use the chat box. Use the chat box. Use the chat box, everybody. Clear? Clear, guys? Okay, na? So now, after applying this, okay, guys, after, yeah, after applying this, okay, guys, okay, guys. So now fine. Okay, now after applying this one, right? After applying this annotation, which annotation, guys? Which annotation? XML root annotation, right? XML root annotation. After then, our API, means our REST API having the capacity to understand both, right? We can make the request as a JSON also and XML also. It will accept both, right? So let's again make the open bracket, close bracket, right? Here, what I will take, select the JSON, right? Select the JSON. After then, what is that? Just if you make the request, right, open bracket, close bracket, we will not get error. We will get done by default value null. See that I'm sending the request. Okay, na? See, okay, this is employee detail and emp id 0, emp null, emp salary, right? Means it's we are getting now, guys. Okay, na? So if you want just what you will do now, emp emp id, right? emp id. Now what is that? 101. Okay, comma. After then, what is that? emp name, right? Emp name colon, what is that? I'm taking my name only. Okay, Ravi. Okay, fine. After then, what is that? emp sal, right? Emp sal. Okay, so 20.2. Okay, na? So this is now send the request, then you will get the result also. See, emp id 10 Ravi, emp sal. Okay, na? So after then, no, I want to send the XML data. Just what you will do now, just come inside this one, change this one. Okay, na? Change this one XML. Okay, na? After then, what you will do now? Okay, employee, take the employee root element, employ employee. After then, inside that, what you will do now, just if you send this much only, right, then again you will get by default, right? What is that? Employee by default, right? Inside that. But if you want to see the data also, what is that? Emp id, right? Emp id. Okay, na? 101. Okay, na? After then, what is that? Another one, what is that? Emp name Ravi. After then, what is that? Emp cell, emp cell, right? Emp cell 20.2. Okay, na? So 20.2. Okay, now send it. See that one emp id 101 Rabi and employee. Now you people got the point or not? Okay, na? One now, everyone use the chat box, then we will move the next level discussion. Another discussion is different, guys. Okay, na? So everyone is satisfied for this discussion. If anybody having any doubt, let me know that. Okay, na? Let me know that, then we will move on what next level discussion, guys. Okay, na? Then we will move on, what is that? Next level discussion. Now clear, right? Now clear. See, we are seeing that everything as a practical, guys. Okay, na? We are seeing everything as a practical. Okay, na? So I hope confidence will come. Okay, na? I hope. Okay, na? After completing this spring rest, I hope definitely confidence will come, guys. Okay, na? Okay, so fine na, everything, please. Till now the things is going good na. Okay, so now, guys, here what we are doing now, is still what we are doing now, guys. So here, just what is that? we are making the request, right? Our controller is reading the XML data and JSON data, right? Here what's happening now, here we are sending the data in the JSON and XML format, right? And what is that, our controller is reading that data, okay now. So it's not meaning that, but result we are getting in which format? Object format only. See that we are getting the result in the object format only, okay na. Our API is exposing the data, our API is exposing the data in what? JSON, XM, or sorry, Java object data. But what is that, we have need to take the XML data. No, I don't want this data, right? I want, what is that, JSON or XML data, right? So for that, what we will do now, let's write one more API, right? One more method, okay, inside this one only. So for that, I'm writing that, okay na. That whenever we will call that method, okay na, that method will expose the same data in the JSON and XML format. This is our next discussion, guys, okay na. This is our next discussion. Okay, so let's develop one more method, okay na. Just what I'm doing now, I'm going to do hard coding, guys, okay na. And whenever we will implement the project, at the time we will see the dynamic data also, right? Here I'm going to do hard work, hard coding, okay na. So to explain concept only, I'm explaining the concept here, guys. Don't bother about dynamic, why the dynamic data is not coming, okay na. I will show that when I will introduce mini project, right? At the time I will implement each and every concept, guys, okay na. How I implemented in Spring MVC, same like here also, okay, same like here also, okay na. I will give that confidence to you people, okay na. Whenever leave it, I will give good confidence only, okay na. That's it. This is the my, after ending this session, people will become confident on the subject. It's my challenge, okay, it's my challenge. Okay, so for that, let's move on, okay na. Let's move on, okay na. So for that, we have need to expose our we have need to write like that, our API should what, expose our data as a XML or JSON format, right? So whenever we will make the, okay na, come to our here. So whenever we will make the request, right? So for that we have need, okay na, which kind of data we want, JSON data or XML data, right? So for that acceptance type, we have need to select at the time of making the request. Consumer, whenever, if consumer want XML data, guys, okay na, consumer want XML data. So for that, what is that, consumer will send the acceptance type also. What is that, acceptance type, okay na. Inside that acceptance type, he will consumer will select application slash, what is that, XML. If consumer want, what is that, XML data, right? If consumer want XML data, if consumer want, what is that, if consumer want JSON data, again acceptance type will select, what is that, application slash, what is that, JSON, right? So whenever consumer will make the request, at the time consumer will select, what is that, acceptance type also. Then based on that acceptance type, what is that, our provider will, means our REST controller will expose the data, guys, okay na, expose the data. Okay, so now come and let's write, develop that kind of application, okay now. So what is that, response entity, right? Response entity, here I'm taking the employee only, guys, because we are generic type, I'm going to take the, because we are exposing the employee data, right? So what is that, get emp data, right? Emp data. Okay, so fine now. Okay, so here what I'm going to do now, guys, here again, what is that, response entity, I'm taking, what is that, employee, okay na. Employee equal to employee res equal to, what is that, new employee, right? New employee, oh sorry, sorry for that, new response entity, right? Response entity, okay na. Response entity, inside that, what is that, two argument is there, http. Okay, just I'm taking, what is that, okay now, okay na, body, just now I will send it, okay guys, don't worry about that. So here just we have need to take the data, right? So what is that, at the rate get mapping I'm using, right? Get mapping, I will make the request as what, get type, guys, okay. I will make the request as, what is that, get type, okay na. Inside that, what is that, show data, just I'm writing that, okay na. After then, what is that, I'm returning return what is the rs. Okay, now I'm returning the rs object. Okay, so what I'm going to do now, guys, here just I'm going to do now just what is that, I'm creating the employee object inside this controller only. Okay, now e new employee, right, employee. After then what is that, just what I'm going to do now, guys, e dot set, right, set empid, right, set empid 101 101. Okay, na after then e dot what is that, set name, right, set name Padma. Okay, so now next one is what is that, another one is what is that, e dot set what is that, emp cell, right, emp cell what is that, 20.2. Okay, fine, guys, now this is the our data. And what we will do now, here we will send the in the body part what is that, that date, that employee object. Okay, na, so this employee object I'm sending, guys, here. Okay, na, so this employee object reference I'm passing in here. It's not meaning that here just we can send the what is that, string data. No, guys, everything collection data also we can send, employee object also we can send, anything we can, any object we can send it here. Okay, na, so now fine. Okay, so this is the one method. Let's make the request, guys. Okay, na, let's make the request on what browser. Okay, na, so for that what we will do now, first run the application, right, first run the application. Yes, now copy this one, come here, paste this one, mbc slash what is that, what method is there,
Sure.
yeah, sure. So right, so but request is a get methodology. Okay, fine. So just if we send it, right, just if we send it, we will get what is that by default. Yeah, I'm not,
Request not changed, sir.
sorry. Yeah. Thank you so much. Good observation. Now see by default which kind of data we are getting now, xml, right, xml we are getting the by default xml type, right. So now fine, guys. Okay, come here. Okay, come here, header type is what is that, xml. Content type, no, this one not required. Okay, na, again if you send by default we will get the xml only, right, means our api is executing, but which kind of data we are getting now, xml data, right, xml data. Same things already we set, right, inside that. See what is that, whatever data, 101 Padma and 20, right, after then we are exposing that data, right, means this method is executing, guys. Okay, na, so fine. Now so whenever we are making that request, which kind of data we are, no, I want what, whenever we are by default we are getting what is that, xml data. No, I want which kind of data, which kind of data, json data. So for that what we will do now, guys, what we will do now, come, I'll tell. Okay, na, I'll tell. Okay, where here only, right, here in the header part, right, in the header part what is that, what I said that just now, come, acceptance type, right, acceptance type. We have need to decide acceptance type. What is that, acceptance, accept what is that, application slash what is that, json. Now send it, you will get the json result. See that we are getting the result as a what, json format or not, json format or not, guys. Okay, no, I want what is that, xml format. So what you will do now, just make that one what, xml, right, just make it one as what, xml. So see, you are getting the xml data or not, again make the this one as what, json, again make it as what, json. Now see that json and xml, based on that acceptance type our api is behaving or not, guys. Okay, na, so like this our api is exposing what is that, our api is exposing what is that, JSON data and what is that XML data, right? Like this our API is exposing what is that JSON data and XML data. Okay na, if anyone having till now doubt, okay na, unmute yourself guys and ask, okay na, and ask. I will tell again, okay na, I will tell again, okay na. So now the thing is clear guys, now the things is clear. Hmm. Okay, so next level discussion is again different, guys. Okay, na? Next level discussion is again payload Ravi here. Where Padma?
Yeah, Ravi, here we are sending the request, like mm, request body is coming, right?
This one.
Yeah,
Ah,
here we are getting the request.
this one. This one is the request body only, and that is
Okay.
request header part. This data is coming.
Ravi, actually, I have one confusion. What is the response payload, request payload?
Okay, I will tell. Okay, don't worry. That is the next level discussion. Okay, don't worry about that.
Okay, actually, I heard that when in our in my
Ah,
company, somebody.
I know that. Okay. Don't worry.
Okay.
I will explain it. Oh, that is the next level discussion and little bit higher things. So
Oh,
because of that, I'm not introducing those things. Okay.
okay. Here I thought that when we do the post request, we are getting the response payload. When we do request payload, I
Mm,
like that. I thought that's
the
why.
same things only, but the internal things is different little bit. Okay, na?
Oh, okay.
Okay, na? Now till now the things is come clear, right?
Yeah, till now it is clear.
Okay. So fine now, guys. So next discussion is what is that parameter, right? How we can send the parameter, right? Here, what we are sudden clearly, right? We are sending the data object directly using what is that request body, right? Request body. At the time, right here, you can apply the what is that? I said that is the optional. Which annotation I said that optional guys come here, okay, na? Media type, these two annotation is media type, right? Response body is what is that I said, right? Response body you are optional, right? You can apply or not, there is no problem. So if you want to apply this one, just what you will do now here, just what is that at the rate request body, right? Apply this one, okay na? But there is no use already this sorry, response body. Response body, okay, sorry, this one. Yeah, this annotation is what is that already I said optional. If you apply, also good. If you not apply, then also good. Okay, na? Then also that is the good. Okay, okay, na? So then also that is the good. Okay, fine, guys. So if this is the optional. If you not apply, I said in the rest controller, right? In the rest controller already, right? Yeah, in the rest controller already that one response body is there, so no need to apply. Why we will increase the burden, right? Why we will increase the burden? Already if the facility is there, that let's use it. Okay, now let's use it. Okay, that's it. Okay, so now okay, let's understand the what single primitive argument inside this method argument, primitive argument. Let's understand. Okay, let's understand these things. Okay, guys. So now break is need. Shall I continue? Break is need, guys. Shall I continue? What about others? Break na for 10. Okay, guys. So do one thing. So okay na 3:43 is happening now. We will connect. What is that? We will connect again. What is that? 4:10. 4:10. No, Krishna. 4:30 is too long. Okay na. 4:30 is not good. Okay na. 4:10. Okay na. After what is that? Here 17 minutes plus 10. Okay na. 27 minutes, 25 minutes is enough. Okay, let's connect after in the group also. In the group also I will tell, I will put the message. Okay now, let's connect it. Okay, so let's connect at 4:10. Okay na, 4:10. Okay guys.
Hey Ravi, this is Ajay.
Yes Ajay, tell.
Ravi, when are you going to take a microservice class? I'm waiting for a microservice class.
It's okay, it's okay, it's okay, man. Don't worry. This is today. I think today maybe if people will ready, right? No, still Swagger implementation is there, and I already told. Okay, na, I will give the client Angular client implementation also. I think next week will take. Okay, na, next weekend also I will take in the rest and security. One more module left. I left. Okay, na, security. These two module in Spring is left, guys. Okay, friend. After then I will start Spring Boot and microservices. Okay, na. Okay.
No, why should I'm telling Ravi? Because I'm going to work on microservice
Hmm? No,
in my company.
yes, yes, yes. Microservices next this weekend. Don't expect. Okay, na. Don't expect next weekend onward. I will start it. Okay, na.
Okay.
In this weekend don't expect. Okay na, because still one module is left. Okay na, after this module one more module is there. Okay na, which is the Spring security. Okay, so these people are too
But
much
Ravi, for this microservice, you're also going to add REST API. So only for the how to configure REST API to microservice. This part I want to know. So
see,
how could going to use
my,
a Reka server? How to going to use
yes,
this
yes, yes.
a cloud?
Yes, don't worry. I'm here. Okay, na? I will tell each and everything. But the concept is too much big, and within the 10 minute or 30 minute session, I can't give all those conclusion. Okay, na? But
Yeah, I know. So that I'm asking.
give me the time. Okay, na? Give me the time. Okay, na? And listen, my session definitely you will become expert. Okay, na? Microservices, cloud, all whatever the real cloud is there, all those cloud also I will use. I will explain each and everything. Okay, na? But give the time. Okay. Okay, na?
Okay.
Give the time. Next weekend in this today, this weekend is completed now. Next weekend also don't expect for me any other module, because here see, some people are there, in our country here 4:30 is happening, right? Their country, morning 6 a.m. is happening, right? So first they also our responsibility, they also are our responsibility. Okay na, so if they are giving us time, okay now, we have need to take care, and we have need to respect their also time, right? So next weekend also don't expect for me. Okay na, next weekend also don't expect for me. And after then I will start. What is that? I After then I will start microservices and Spring Boot. Okay na.
Okay, Ravi. Okay.
Okay, so let's stop the session, guys. We will come back 4:10. Okay na, 4:10.